ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳ ಓದು ಬಂದು PhD ತೆಗೆದು ಒಳ್ಳ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷಯ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೊಸೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸೊಸೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸಂಸಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಅಂದು ಗಂಡನ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ.
May the Almighty shower on you His choicest blessings.
Hello Badri, happy birthday. Sir, 60th birthday and 70th and 80th birthday ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Many happy friends of the day. God bless you.
Badri, God bless you. Have a long and healthy, happy life. Enjoy the day.
Badri Mama, I make a cake for you.
Hi Badri, Stephamurthy greetings. Wish you many happy returns of the day. I don't know whether you remember our first encounter years back at the Government College of Engineering campus. I used to scare you with stories of the ghosts. Our great grandmother used to say, "Yako kusuna anjusati, adar idda mallarava." I used to be very thrilled about that. Let us revive those memories at Bangalore. Bye bye.
Hello Badri, have a fantastic 60th birthday. We and our family wish you many more happy returns and all the best for the next 100 years. Bye now, bye bye. La 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 la.
Hi Chikappa, a very happy 60th birthday to you. I'm sure you'll redefine 60 and make it fabulously all your own. Have a great year ahead and stay awesome. Love you.
Dear Badri, many more happy returns of the day. It's a great occasion. Enjoy the day and the moment. I and Soumya pray to Almighty to wish you both with happiness, togetherness and joy forever on your Sashatyapurti. Good luck. Bye.
Hi Badri, birthday wishes from Delhi.
A very happy birthday to MGR of the GPF family. 60 is just a number. You don't look anywhere near 60. Be happy, be cheerful as you're always. Wishing you lots of love and happiness from all of us.
பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்க பார்த்தபோது ரொம்ப எனர்ஜி கூட இருந்தீங்க, கிளுகிளுன்னு சிரிச்சுட்டே இருந்தீங்க. இப்போ கூட நீங்க அப்படியே இருக்கீங்க, ரொம்ப எனர்ஜி, and you brighten up the environment and space around you. அது ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷல் குவாலிட்டி உங்களுது. அது நீங்க அப்படியே இருக்கணும். நாட் ஜஸ்ட் டுடே, வர நாள், வர வருஷங்களும், வர டைம்லலாம் அப்படியே இருக்கணும். உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப லவ், நல்ல ஆரோக்கியம் நாங்கள் கேட்டு விஷஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுக்குறோம். ஓகேயா? நல்லா இருங்க. Have a fantastic day.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday once again. Cheers.
Badri, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Wish you a very long, happy married life. La 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 la.
Happy 60th birthday, Badri Mama.
May you have many more decades ahead
Of age-defined fitness,
happiness
peace,
and amazing feasts.
Apla buckets included.
Have an amazing day.
Have an amazing day.
Badrinath has been my classmate since 1978 from Coimbatore Medical College. We have been batchmates together and then we are close friends till date. He is a very innocent, lovable, ever smiling and ready to help others, everyone at all times. A very hardworking individual. I have seen him throughout his life. He is always on the move. Charming with love to enjoy life to the maximum. Badri, we wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with 100 years of health, happiness and a lovely time with your family. Wish we could be there with you, but our wishes are always there with you and hope to celebrate it in the coming days. Happy birthday, Badri.
Happy birthday, Dodappa. You're turning 60 years young today. Hope you're having a great day and wishes for an amazing year ahead.
Hi Chickappa, happy birthday. All the very best. Lots and lots of love from Ammukutti Bamma Vakutalilo. And see, from this little kitty cat too.
Say hi to Chickappa. Hi Chickappa, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Badri. Happy birthday to you. Our house MGR. May God bless you. Happiness and prosperity. Very pleasant days after 60.
Mama, this is take 71. I hope we get this right this time. We just are unable to coordinate. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Badri Mama. Yes, we did it.
Happy birthday, Badri. Let's move forward with good memories. Thank you, love you, bye.
Badri Mama. Cheers.
காதல் பாசம் தாய்மை நம்மை மறப்பதில்லையே ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம்.
Hi Badri Mama, wishing you a happy 60th year. This year turned up to be a very unique year for the world and even for you, sort of momentous year.
Our best wishes.
And hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Birthday, Badri Mama.
You are right. You are Lord and I am God.
May God bless you. A very happy, healthy, peaceful, long, happy married life and a long life you both together. Shanti Gundama. You are not a Gundama, you are a Sandamana. Agi and the Tore. Here is a bouquet for your birthday. Colorful and nice. This is your virtual flowers. Take care. Bye. Love you. Shanti Badri.
ಹಲೋ ಬದ್ರಿ, ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. 60ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಯಸ್ಸು ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲೆಂದು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಡದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.
ತೋರ್ಸು ಏನ್ ಔಟಿ? ನೀ ಏನ್ ಔಟಿ?
Happy birthday, Badri Tata. Have a nice birthday, 60th birthday. Badri Tata agute.
பறவை போல வாழ வேண்டும், இதோ இந்த அலைகள் போல ஆட வேண்டும். ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே La la la, la la la, la 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 la. காற்று நம்மை அடிமை என்று விலகவில்லையே, கடல் நீரும் அடிமை என்று சுடுவதில்லையே, சுடுவதில்லையே, காலம் நம்மை விட்டு விட்டு நடப்பதில்லையே, காதல் பாசம் தாய்மை நம்மை மறப்பதில்லையே. ஒரே வானிலே, ஒரே மண்ணிலே, ஒரே வானிலே, ஒரே
Happy birthday, Abji! Happy birthday, Abji. Happy 60th. You have worked very hard towards retirement. I think you should relax. And looking forward to retired life with you. I don't know if it's going to be challenging or enjoyment. Okay, let's see it together. Bye. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Dad,
We
love you.
a lot. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Appa.
Happy birthday, Pa. 60 has flown by. May you have 70 and 80 as well. You've worked really hard to get yourself and us where we are today. We love you a lot. Happy birthday. Bye.
கீதம் உரிமை